We're inventing the next generation of lifestyle vehicles and products for a life without limits. Elysium represents the first of an endless range of possibilities, thoughtfully conceived as a beacon of luxury that's distinctly modern. Welcome to Purian Design.
Camping gives us amazing opportunities to explore remote destinations, climb new heights, make new friends, and experience epic festivals. But there's always been a catch. After sunrise, tents are often too hot or too bright, so many of us don't get enough sleep. Now imagine the possibilities if we had all the rest we needed. We'd have more energy to explore further, be more adventurous, and have even more fun. That's why we created the Siesta 4, a revolutionary new tent engineered from the ground up to give you the best possible sleep outdoors, even in blazing sunshine. When the sun comes up, our game-changing ultra-reflective fly fabric blocks infrared, visible, and ultraviolet light, dramatically reducing the temperature and brightness inside the tent. For extra comfort, you can add our ultra-quiet 8-inch USB fans that zip right into the custom vents, drawing in fresh air from outside. The full-length fly provides maximum protection from wind and rain, while the breathable inner tent prevents condensation, and closable mesh keeps out dirt and cold drafts. This gives you incredible all-weather versatility. Inspired by the cold nights and sweltering early mornings when camping in the Australian outback, we set out to solve the problem of bright, overheating tents once and for all. And so, the Siesta was born. We spent the past year designing, developing, and testing. From fabrics to fans, every aspect of the tent has been meticulously thought out. To ensure the highest possible standards, we've selected only premium quality materials and partnered with one of the world's leading tent manufacturers. Now, with the prototypes finished, we're ready to launch. But we need your help to meet the factory minimums. So if you like what you've seen, please tell your friends. And if you'd like a seriously badass tent, just back our project.
Being outdoors is a big deal for me. It doesn't matter if I'm in the park next door, on a boat trip with my friends, or at the peak of the mountain on the other side of the world. In the end, I think it's all about chasing these rare moments when you're totally at ease with yourself. I find these moments in nature, and, quite frequently, in my beloved hammock. Honestly, is there a way not to be laid back while floating between two palm trees? As a matter of fact, there is. Mosquitoes, for example. Experts in mood killing. Even worse, falling coconuts. And of course, rain. The arch enemy of hammock lovers around the globe. Sad but true, hammock lovers sometimes do live an uncomfortable and dangerous life. In order to change that, we have created the flying tent. It's a complete redesign of what a hammock can be. You can use it with a mosquito net. If it starts raining, zip up the rain cover and you will find yourself relaxing in a waterproof floating tent. You can also set it up on the ground as a bivy tent, or in case you really decide to walk on in the rain, you can easily convert the hammock into a fancy rain poncho. With this gear on your backpack, there are simply no more excuses for not enjoying the outdoors. The flying tent can be set up without any additional tools in just about 7 seconds. And it can be converted to its different functions quickly and easily. This makes it to one of the smartest, most versatile outdoor gears that you can possibly get. The flying tent was designed to be your perfect outdoor companion under all weather conditions. It consists of high-quality waterproof materials and it comes with all kinds of useful features that make your outdoor experience even more enjoyable. As outdoor enthusiasts, we love the simplicity of the flying tent. But it took us a while to get there. The biggest challenge was to merge all these functions into one smart product that allows small packaging without compromising its functionality. After 2 years of hard work, our team was finally able to come up with a truly unique product that exceeds all our initial expectations. For the last step of this journey, we need your help. Join our campaign and receive your flying tents in time for this year's summer adventures. Till then, thanks for watching and see you out there.
Introducing the SkyCamp, the world's first expandable hard-shell rooftop tent, as featured in Tech Insider, The Sunday Times, Lonely Planet, Insider Design, G-Gadgets, Mashable Asia, and Business Insider. The SkyCamp is truly exceptional. It is a treehouse dream come true, except that it is bigger, mobile, and more comfortable. It is made for life on the road, so you can take off whenever, stop wherever, and fall asleep looking up at the stars. The SkyCamp is of the highest quality, so you can keep camping in your rooftop tent night after night. Waterproof tent fabric, a fiber-reinforced hard-shell top, aluminum or stainless steel metal components to prevent rust. We did not sacrifice quality for price. The SkyCamp is perfect for a family trip or a road trip with friends. It can fit 2 adults and 2 children, or 3 adults. The extension floor folds out to reveal a comfortable king-size mattress made of high-density memory foam. Pillows and bedding can conveniently be left inside the tent when you close it. Worried about weight? iCamper takes safety seriously. The floor is made of aluminum honeycomb panels that are extremely strong and can hold up to 900 pounds. The SkyCamp weighs only 150 pounds, including the ladder and mattress, so 2 people can easily mount it within a few minutes. Its universal mounting system and light weight make it compatible with most crossbars or roof racks. We know how difficult and annoying it can be to pitch a tent, open a pop-up trailer or soft-top roof tent, only to have to pack it up the next morning, day after day. The SkyCamp can be set up easily in less than a minute. One person can open it on his or her own, and closing it is just as simple. You love your car, and we wanted it to look just as good with a rooftop tent mounted on it. The SkyCamp's fiber-reinforced hard shell is aerodynamic, lightweight, and available in glossy black or white. Want more? Customize your SkyCamp by adding an awning to protect you from the rain or sun, an annex room to hang out in or store gear, a rack to keep your shoes dry and away from bugs and animals, hanging storage shelves, or a wind deflector. The SkyCamp is my dream come true, and now I want to share it with you. Embark on your own journey and follow your dreams. Back this project and help travelers around the world grow closer to people and nature.
We're Koala-Tree. We design eco-minded products and apparel for all of your adventures. Kickstarter helped the Kachula set a new bar for blankets, and now we're back to raise it once more with our latest product, the Puffy Kachula. The Puffy is snuggle soft, cozy warm, and versatile enough to take with you anywhere. The Puffy stuffs into its own pouch and makes a super soft on-the-go pillow. The blanket is perfect for keeping you warm wherever you go, and like the original Kachula, the Puffy is virtually waterproof. The stuff pouch doubles as a zipper pocket to hide away your valuables. The snaps keep the Puffy in place and allow you to connect multiple blankets together, or turn the Puffy into a lightweight sleeping bag. With its built-in, stuffable hood, the Puffy will keep you dry in even the worst weather. Made from recycled materials, the Puffy's ripstop nylon is eco-friendly and tough. Help us bring another blanket to life. Please back our project and stay cozy, Kickstarter.